Good morning all. My mission today is to finally cut down this leaning over branch. I mentioned in my ice storm video that the ice storm pretty much knocked off all the living branches off of this leaning over, I don't know if you call it a branch or just a separate trunk of this American chestnut tree. But since that was a risk of falling on the barn and there's nothing else really growing off of it anymore, I am going to cut that down today. If you watch any of my videos, then you realize I am not an expert. I am not a lumberjack, so if you're looking at this video for pointers on how to cut down trees, don't. I'm just a homeowner with a chainsaw, and I'm gonna get done what needs to get done. It may not be the 100% the best way to do it, but it'll get done. So if you watch some of my other videos, you may realize I have the HT131 pole saw, and I also have the MS250 Stihl chainsaw. I'm probably gonna take the pole saw first to some of those limbs, so when that thing falls down, it doesn't come crashing into the ground and digging a big old hole where the limbs hit. First thing I do every time I use the pole saw is go in here, obviously. Make sure I have fuel. Still have a good amount in there because I didn't use the pole saw too much. After the ice storm, everything already fell down. So I just had to clean off the ground. Check the bar oil. It's pretty full as well. Make sure the chain's on there pretty tight. It is. Then I will get this thing fired up and cut down some of these branches. One thing I'm gonna have to watch out for is that branch seems to be hanging on to the branch down there. I think that got damaged during the ice storm. So when I cut down this larger branch, that might come down with it and knock me in the head. So I have to be very careful when that, to get out of the way once that starts falling down, which means I need to clear this area up so I have a place to run away. Again with the MS250, checked my fuel. Gotta get some of the sawdust out of the way. On the bar oil. Looks like I do need some more bar oil as well. So I will not try to hold the camera and pour that, otherwise I'll get it everywhere. I think I'll start my cut on this side and finish it on that side because it looks like it'll probably fall this way. I mean, there's a possibility it swings that way, but just have to be able to get out of the way regardless. Safety first. Well. Colony of possibly termites inside of here, ants. So this tree's probably not going to last that long anyway. I managed to avoid hitting the barn spot. Not that we have the barn up anyway, but just fell a couple feet short. So there's quite a few of them in there. Makes me a little concerned about this guy. So yeah, that was my biggest job of the day. After I cut this up, I gotta go out in the woods and start cutting up like 4 to 5 inch diameter trees that fell down during the ice storm. Nothing too big from what I saw, but I haven't been all the way in the woods yet to see everything. So we'll see what we encounter back there.